Global warming has become one of the greatest concerns of today. To protect the environment, recycling of wastes is a must. The recycling business has become a much profitable venture at present. There are many kinds of wastes, and types of recycling business ideas depend on the industrial outputs. Before taking up any of the recycling business ideas, you should remember a few things. Firstly, decide on your recycling business idea, that is, what kind of waste you want to recycle. There is plenty of wastes in different sectors like a household waste, construction waste and electronic waste, and so on. Secondly, after the selection of the recycling business idea, have a thorough knowledge of the process of recycling and buy machinery accordingly. Thirdly, do exhaustive research on the products of recycling along with its marketing, and then take up the recycling business idea. By taking up any of the recycling business ideas, you are protecting the environment at one hand and earning profits on the other. Here we have 10 most profitable recycle business ideas. Number 10 is PVC recycling. PVC or polyvinyl chloride is used mainly in the manufacturing of pipes, shades, tanks, etc. You can take the rejected PVC, treat them, and manufacture other goods of PVC. This is a common and useful recycling business idea. Chemical processes such as pyrolysis, hydrolysis and heating are used to convert the waste into its chemical components. The resulting products, sodium chloride, calcium chloride, hydrocarbon products and heavy metals to name a few, are used to produce new PVC, as feed for other manufacturing processes, or as fuel for energy recovery. Number 9 is construction and reliable waste recycling. Generally, solid wastes are non-biodegradable and untreatable. You can collect these solid scraps from the construction sites and manufacture it into bricks. After doing treatment of these wastes then, after compressing the new shape can be given, which is stronger having a long life cycle. These bricks can be sold to the nearest construction houses in small units, and by signing the contract with builders, you can trade in bulk also. And also you can use interlock tiles, partition boards, false ceiling materials etc. on second use after small repairing and painting. 8th is medical waste recycling business. As you know, medical wastes are in most cases unhealthy and hazardous. Here, you can prove yourself of great help for the hospitals and society, along with making profits for yourself. A large portion of medical wastes like syringe and needles can be recycled. Autoclaving, gas sterilization, chemical disinfection, microwave, irradiation, thermal inactivation etc. are the main methods used to recycle medical waste. Utensils recycle business on number 7. It's possible to be wasteful in the kitchen without even realizing it. All of the activities that are routinely carried out in the kitchen, cooking, cleaning, and eating, produce significant levels of waste. We often reject or throw away our old utensils. But these utensils can be the source of your recycling business idea. Most of the utensils are made of steel, copper, or iron. In your recycling unit, you can process them and make new utensils. You can sell them to other business persons. Or you can sell them directly to earn profits. Number 6 is glass recycling. The commercial glass recycling statistics reveal that there is room for improvement amongst businesses and industry. Within the hospitality industry alone, pubs, restaurants, and bars send 200,000 tons of glass to landfill each year. Glass is a relatively easy material to melt down and remake into many different kinds of shapes. From drinking glasses to molded sculptures to glass fiber, it's a material with innumerable uses in the world today. Once collected, the glass is broken up into smaller pieces, crushed, sorted and cleaned. It can then be mixed with other constituents like sand, then melted and molded into the desired shape. Mattress recycling comes at number 5. Over 4.5 million mattresses are sent to landfills or incinerators in the US every year. These end up damaging the environment negatively, and there is an increasing pressure to have them recycled. Mattresses are usually made from a large number of materials, including metal, fabric and plastic. When sent to a recycling plant, they are separated from each other and recycled at a success rate of 95%. The mattress plants usually send the constituent materials to specialized plants that carry out the actual recycling process. Textile recycling on number 4. Textiles like pieces of clothing and parts of sofa sets make up a significant portion of most landfills. Used clothing can normally be reused by making small changes on them, while others have to be recycled. During the recycling process, the textiles are sorted based on the type and processed into different categories depending on the color and type. These can then be reused in the manufacture of new clothes or for reinforcing some types of furniture. For your textile recycling business to be sustainable, you must ensure that have a steady supply of unwanted textiles being collected. As such, you'll need to call upon the help of your local community, making it as convenient as possible for them to discard unwanted clothing. One way of achieving this is by seeking permission to place textile banks in car parks or along high streets. Plus, you'll need to factor into your decision how much it may cost to have any deposited clothing transported back to your business. Number 3 is recycling junkyard furniture. Recycling junkyard furniture requires a considerably larger amount of creativity and workmanship than others on this list. However, creating usable furniture from discarded pieces is a very profitable venture. Lots of people like to buy unique kinds of furniture based on them being uniquely made. If possible, this can be combined with textile recycling. Perhaps the most attractive thing about a furniture upcycling business is that you can open it very cheap. For instance, it is very possible to open such a business for $2,000 or less. Electronic waste recycling on second position. The waste which contains cadmium, phosphorus, lead etc. which came out from the electronic waste items is highly valuable and profitable. But due to some dangerous metals, you need to take some precautions and must have experts in your team. You have to take the clearance and make your documents ready, as per the government norms. It is also considered one of the best way to save Mother Earth by being eco-friendly with the holistic marketing concept. By taking some precautions, you can make a considerable profit with high return on investment. Before moving forward, please subscribe this channel for more interesting videos related to nature, energy and sustainability. From our studies, we found that aluminium recycling is the best recycling business with minimum wastage of material and best profit. So this comes at first position. Aluminium is the most recycled metal in the world with the least risk. The usage of aluminium is widespread, and almost everybody is using it. If we talk about the most common thrown material, that will be aluminium cans. This is a hassle-free recycling business idea for you on one hand. You can straight away collect the used cans and sell them. On the other hand, you can have your own setup where you will recycle aluminum cans and produce new ones. The profits are quite high. While the ideas presented here are examples of successful entrepreneurial undertakings, keep your eyes peeled for emerging needs in the marketplace and see if you can invent a profitable solution. It is a very profitable profession, and one thing's for sure, that you will never run out of waste.